Hey, my name is Daniel Kottmeyer, and in the future, I want to be a physical therapist. I think a lot of what I've learned in this class is very applicable towards that endeavor. For instance, just learning the biomechanics of various movements and how to train safely is very important in preventing injury and also rehabbing injuries and not, re-injuring an athlete that's coming to see me as a physical therapist. Also, just learning the basics in programming. While a lot of our stuff was focused on strength and conditioning and a healthy athlete, those same principles are applicable for a physical therapy setting. I also think it's worthy to note that a lot of what I've learned has helped me in my personal life and my ability to stay fit. If I aspire to be an individual who promotes exercise as medicine, I need to be able to live that out in my daily life and show my patients that I'm practicing what I preach. And a lot of what I've learned in class will help me stay fit in the future. If I could go back and change one thing to help my grade, I don't think I'd change anything. I'm pretty happy with how I did this class. I learned a lot and I'm happy with my grade. Lastly, I've been accepted to intern at Kinetics Physical Therapy. So I'll try to put some of these things in practice there when working with the patients.
Hi, my name is Shelby Mayhaz, and I'm super excited to apply this knowledge that I learned in strength and conditioning course. I think it's really relevant for what I plan to do and what I'm doing currently. I aspire to be a physical therapist in the future, but I currently coach CrossFit now and I do personal training. And so I think this course has really changed my mindset on things in terms of that, yes, exercise can be customizable, but the efficacy needs to be proven for the technique and there needs to be science to back it up for it to be beneficial and safe for your client. And so I think it really challenges me and pushes me to really assess the different techniques that are used in exercise and really diving into scientific literature more. I usually use a CrossFit technique when it comes to programming for my athletes, and so I'm super excited to try and use the periodization method, planning out mesocycles, microcycles, and things like that for my clients. I will be at UF Health Rehab Magnolia Park for my internship. I'll be working under a physical therapist. I'm not sure the specialty yet, but we'll know in January. And so if I had to change one thing in terms of my efforts for this course, I am really happy with my grade, but I guess I would study as I go rather than big chunks right before exams. Last note is I really enjoyed the labs of this course. I really enjoyed how applied everything was, that we weren't just learning material, but really applying it and putting it into action. And it really showed me that you don't really know something unless you can teach it to somebody else. So yes, really enjoyed the course and looking forward to my internship.
Hi, my name is Jared Sachs. I really did enjoy this class. I've always been a big proponent of the benefits of exercise for the body, and this class definitely furthered my knowledge on exercise technique. I'll definitely utilize a lot of the techniques that I learned and the information I learned in this class and implement them into my daily workouts into the future. Well, I plan to attend medical school and become a physician in the future. I am interning at the UF Health, Wellness, and Fitness Center, and I'm going to help them out with their personal training a little bit. So this class was definitely useful in preparing me for what I'm going to be doing in the spring. If I could go back and change one thing about the semester, I would probably try to attend more labs because I did miss a few, but I truly do regret it, and I love the hands-on experience as it was both fun and it also helped in fully grasping the techniques that we learned throughout the course.